Meaning of display.
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 Display. Display means to show or exhibit something, either visually or in a presented format. The term is commonly used in computing and technology, where it refers to the presentation of data or information on a screen. To display something is to make it visible to the viewer, such as showing an image or text on a computer or mobile device. In summary, display is the act of presenting information in a visual or accessible way, providing users with a clear view of what they are looking for.